Hello students, today we'll talk about the angle addition postulate. Now remember, just like the segment addition postulate talked about a segment that had been broken up into two pieces. And the segment addition postulate said that the lengths of the two smaller pieces is equal to the length of the big piece. Well, in the same way, we're going to take an angle today and split it into two smaller angles. I have this angle, and let's call this angle ABC. If I take that angle and I split it using another ray, I have two smaller angles. Now I don't know how this was split, and I intentionally made it so it didn't split it in half, but it did split it into two smaller angles. The angle addition postulate states that if I add the measurement of the two smaller angles, the result will be the measurement of the larger angle. So, again, if I take the small one plus the other small one, it will add up to the big one. Using proper geometry notation, I would say the measurement of angle ABM plus the measurement of angle MBC is equal to the measurement of angle ABC. And again, it's saying the small one plus the other small one is equal to the big one. Let's do an example. So given that the measurement of angle LKN is 145 degrees, find the measurements of angle LKM and the measurement of angle MKN. Well, using the angle addition postulate here, I can say that the measurement of angle LKN, that's the biggest angle, is equal to the measurement of angle LKN plus the measurement of angle MKN. And I can add the reason to it that this is because of the angle addition postulate. Now I can look at these facts right here. LKN is 145 degrees, but then also I see that LKM from our diagram here is 2x plus 10, and MKN is 4x minus 3. So I can say 145 is equal to 2x plus 10 plus 4x minus 3. And the reason that I can do that is because of substitution. Now, once I have that, I can go ahead and combine like terms, which would make this 6x plus 7. 145 is equal to 6x plus 7. We'll subtract 7 on both sides and get 138 is equal to 6x. Then we can just divide by 6, and we will get x is equal to 23. Be careful right here because we just solved an equation. That feels good. That's not the answer. But at this point, I can say that all of this stuff that I did, this is because of algebra. Now to finish this off, I want to say that the measurement of angle LKM is equal to 2 times 23 plus 10, which would be 46 plus 10. So LKM is 56 degrees. The other thing that I was asked to find was MKN, which is 4x minus 3. So the measurement of angle MKN equals 4 times 23 minus 3, 4 times 23 would be 92, minus 3 would be 89 degrees. That's the end of this problem. One more idea is an angle bisector. Now, if you remember, the word bisector means that it cuts into two congruent pieces. When something gets bisected, it gets cut directly in half. So if I have an angle bisector, that means that I have something that cuts another angle in half. So let's bring back angle ABC, and in order for us to have an angle bisector, it would have to be a ray that cuts the angle directly in half. So what we could say here is, if ray BM bisects angle ABC, then angle ABM must be congruent to angle MBC. Or another way of saying that is, the measurement of angle ABM must be equal to the measurement of angle MBC. Let's do an example. So in this example, we see that ray QS is bisecting PQR, and PQS is 24. So find the measurement of PQR. Well, since it's bisecting, I can say that the measurement of angle PQS is equal to the measurement of angle SQR. So therefore, the measurement of angle SQR must also be 24. The reason that I can say that is because of the definition of bisect. Bisect means it gets cut into two equal pieces, so if I know one piece, I also know the other piece. Now I'm asked to find the measurement of PQR. The measurement of angle PQR is equal to the measurement of angle PQS plus the measurement of angle SQR. That is because of the angle addition postulate. Now I know that angle PQS is 24, but since it's being bisected, SQR is also 24. So the measurement of angle PQR equals 24 plus 24, that's substitution. And then we can combine like terms here. Measurement of angle PQR is equal to 48, and that is because of algebra. And we are all done.